Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying these online classes and you understand the lessons properly. Whatever your doubts, please ask me time to time. Of Science and Technology Part 2. From that, our 7th lesson is going. The name of the lesson it is Energy Flow in an Ecosystem. In that, we discuss the food chain, food web, concept of the trophic levels, how there is an energy pyramid is formed, certain examples of that. After that, we discussed about the biogeochemical cycle. What is the meaning of biogeochemical cycle? From that, two parts are there, gaseous cycle and sedimentary cycle. From gaseous cycle, we discussed the first biogeochemical cycle, that is the carbon cycle. Today we are going to start the oxygen cycle. As we know that oxygen, it is a very important one for living things, especially for animals, because animals, they require the oxygen. So oxygen forms 21% of the atmosphere. You know that total content. The more content it is present in air, that is the nitrogen. After that, 21% it is the oxygen. It is also present in the hydrosphere and lithosphere. Hydrosphere, you know that, and lithosphere also, the meaning of these two sphere. In that also oxygen content is there. What is the definition of oxygen cycle? Circulation and recycling of oxygen within the biosphere, it is called as the oxygen cycle. Here circulation, that means proper a pathway is there, through that there is a circulation, that is like blood circulation is occur in human beings. वैसे ऑक्सीजन का क्या होता है यहाँ पे? सर्कुलेशन एंड रिसाइकलिंग ऑफ ऑक्सीजन. These two things, where they get happen? They happen within the biosphere, and that is called as the oxygen cycle. This cycle too includes both biotic and abiotic components. Again, biotic, that means living thing, abiotic, that means non-living thing. So here also they both are interrelated with each other. Oxygen is continuously produced as well as used up in the atmosphere. How it produced and how it used? Oxygen is highly reactive and it radially reacts with other elements and compounds. You know the basic difference in between the elements and compounds. Compound, that is nothing but the two or more content. When they get mixed to each other in proper proportion, then it is called as the compound. Like water. Water, it is a H2O. So oxygen की खासियत क्या है? It is a highly reactive. Immediately it get react. And किसके साथ react होता है ये? With other element and compound. जैसे हाइड्रोजन के साथ immediate it get react and there is the formation of a compound, that is a H2O. Okay, as oxygen is found in various forms like the molecular oxygen, that is O2, water, that is the H2O, carbon dioxide, that is CO2. Oxygen is released in the process of photosynthesis, whereas it is used up in the processes like respiration, combustion, decomposition, corrosion and rusting, etc. You know the process of photosynthesis. In that, plant, they absorb the carbon dioxide and emit the oxygen. वो ऑक्सीजन कौन यूज करते हैं? Animals, for respiration process. But only for respiration oxygen is important one? No. For combustion also oxygen is required. For decomposition. What is decomposition? Complex matter get converted into the simple form. That is called as the decomposition. For that also oxygen is necessary for corrosion and rusting. corrosion और rusting ये क्या है? ये मेटल पे होता है, जो है वो रेड कलर का एक लेयर फॉर्म होता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द रस्ट. If you observe the diagram 7.7, the oxygen cycle, like carbon cycle, the picture is there. So at the time of drawing this cycle, don't draw the pictures, only like these arrows. रिएक्शन के फॉर्म में क्या करना है आपको, ये साइक्लिक फॉर्म में क्या करना है, राइट डाउन करना है ऑक्सीजन साइकिल. जैसे व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस और एक्सप्लेनेशन ऑफ दिस डायग्राम. सनलाइट इज देयर, plant produces the oxygen. They produce oxygen, that means automatically at the time of photosynthesis they absorb the carbon dioxide and they release the oxygen. That oxygen is used by the animals for respiration, that is breakdown of sugar molecule by animals. ऑक्सीजन जो है हमने क्या कर लिया, बॉडी में यूज किया, और कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड क्या किया हमने, बाहर एक्सहेल किया. That carbon dioxide animals give out. That carbon dioxide again used by the plants. They absorb the carbon dioxide and produce the food material. Like this, there is a cyclic pathway is occur, and that is nothing but the oxygen cycle. The last biogeochemical cycle of this lesson, it is the nitrogen cycle. We know that nitrogen forms 78%, that is the maximum portion of the atmosphere. 21% क्या है, ऑक्सीजन है, 78% nitrogen. It is necessary for the maintenance of the cycle of nature. What is the definition of nitrogen cycle? The circulation and recycling of nitrogen gas into the form of different compounds through various biotic and abiotic processes in nature called as the nitrogen cycle. Here also the circulation and recycling of nitrogen gas is there. Here certain steps are there of that nitrogen cycle. Okay, all organisms participate in the nitrogen cycle. It is an important component of the proteins and nucleic acid as compared to the other elements. It is inactive and does not easily combine with other elements. Nitrogen, what is the speciality of nitrogen? जैसे ऑक्सीजन की स्पेशलिटी हमने देखी कि ऑक्सीजन क्या होता है, it get radially mix, it get fastly react with other element. But here nitrogen it is inactive और वो easily combine नहीं होता है किसके साथ, other elements के साथ. Most organisms cannot use the free form of nitrogen. Cannot use nitrogen जो होता है free form में बहुत सारे organisms जो है वो use नहीं कर सकते. तो अभी क्या करना पड़ेगा, that nitrogen के अलग अलग क्या हो जाते हैं, types हो जाते हैं. जैसे अमोनिया है, नाइट्रोजन डाइऑक्साइड है, नाइट्रेट्स है, नाइट्राइट्स है. ओके, important process in the nitrogen cycle. 4 steps are there. First one, nitrogen fixation. Nitrogen fixation यानी whatever the atmospheric nitrogen when it get fixed. But here scientifically if we discussed about the nitrogen fixation, then the definition is here: conversion of nitrogen into nitrates and nitrites through atmospheric, industrial and biological process. We have to fix nitrogen. देखा कि free form of nitrogen बहुत सारे organisms क्या करते हैं, use नहीं कर सकते. Then conversion of nitrogen into nitrates and nitrites. अब ये nitrates और nitrates क्या है, these are the forms of nitrogen. अब ये conversion through which it occur, through atmospheric, through industrial processes, through the biological process. This step it is called as the nitrogen fixation. Second one, ammonification. Ammony, that is the ammonia. Release of ammonia through decomposition of dead bodies and excretory waste of organism. Whatever the excretory waste of organism, living organism, the maximum percent which content is there, ammonia gas is there. So that release of ammonia through excretory waste of organism, it is okay. But second option, it is through the decomposition of dead bodies also. Third one, nitrification. Whatever the ammonia it get free or it get formed, that conversion of ammonia into nitrite and then nitrate. Here conversion of ammonia into nitrite and nitrate, it is called as the nitrification. Ammonification, releasing of ammonia. Nitrification, releasing of nitrate and nitrite. Last one, denitrification. Opposite to nitrification, denitrification, conversion of nitrogen compound into gaseous nitrogen. Nitrogen compound यानी ammonia, nitric acid, nitrites, nitrogen dioxide, nitrogen trioxide, these are the nitrogen compounds. So that compounds it get converted into gaseous nitrogen, and that gaseous nitrogen get mixed into the air. So this process it is called as the denitrification. Here if you observe the diagram, the nitrogen cycle, through the lightning also there is a nitrogen fixation is occur. If you observe the diagram, that N2 that is nothing but the atmospheric nitrogen. Lastly वो किसमें convert हो गया, atmospheric nitrogen. जो steps हमने देखे denitrification, in that it get convert into the atmospheric nitrogen, that is the N2. Certain bacterial species, they plays a very important role in the conversion of these different forms of nitrogen into the gaseous nitrogen, and again it get mixed into the air. In this way there is a nitrogen cycle, it get works. Okay, so this is all about your 7th lesson, energy flow in the ecosystem. Read out the lesson completely, and if any difficulty regarding to this, you can ask me.